Sailor, thank you very much for being with us on Free Speech TV today.
Thank you so much, Mae, for having me.
Well, we're going to talk about that independent state legislature theory and why it is so dangerous. But let's go back to 2021 when the state legislature in North Carolina came up with some voting maps that were gerrymandered, that really were disenfranchising Black voters in the state of North Carolina. What happened then?
Well, to get a fuller picture of this, Maeve, it really starts in 2019, which wasn't that long ago. In North Carolina's Supreme Court case, the last redistricting case to go to the Supreme Court, Rucho v. Common Cause. And in that case, the majority of justices said that federal courts couldn't review partisan gerrymandering, but state courts could, based on provisions in their state constitution. So many states obviously have constitutions protecting the right to vote. And of course, these constitutional protections would be irrelevant if state courts had no power to review the actions of a state legislature run amok. So North Carolina state courts did just that in 2021 and 2022. They reviewed our state legislature's partisan gerrymanders for their constitutionality. And in February 2022, the North Carolina Supreme Court struck down in a historic ruling the North Carolina General Assembly's congressional and state legislative maps as partisan gerrymanders that violated the state constitution. Not satisfied with that ruling, even though the legislature was given an opportunity to remediate the maps, they have now pled to the Supreme Court under a fringe legal theory called the independent state legislature theory that would give them absolute power over creating these gerrymanders, but also creating federal election law in this state, and would also give state legislatures, should this case go the wrong way, absolute power in 50 states. So this is a big case coming up, Maeve. Grateful to be here today. But it all started in 2019, really, when Justice Roberts himself called partisan gerrymandering corrosive, but said it was up to the states to do something about it. We are fortunate in North Carolina, our state courts did, but unfortunately our state legislature didn't stop there.